Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Strong Coffee, Blackberry Natural Flavor with cane sugar and sugar. First thing you gotta do is you pour in the strong coffee halfway into the mug from this percolator, and you put the blackberry fizzy water for natural flavor into this mug, and go here and then get the cane sugar, and then last but not least you put the sugar into this mug. Sorry, I had to put it down so I can open up the 2 packets of sugar. And you stir it up. Tastes pretty good. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated strong coffee, blackberry natural flavor with cane sugar and sugar. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.